Good morning, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus. I am the Bombas. Good morning. We got about less than 2 minutes for some dings. Something happened to Ethereum. Something going on with Ethereum. Gary in the house. How you doing, brother? Feel like something was going on with Ethereum. I want to look into that. A merge? I don't understand. Excuse me. What did Ethereum merge into? I kind of just I really did it merge? Merge means a combination. What did it merge with? Did it merge with Cardano? Did it merge with Polkadot? What did it merge with? Someone explain. Um, I mean, it didn't merge with shit, did it? Thought it was a hard fork. When is splitting a merge? Someone help my. Which is now kind of weird. Yesterday, I talked about remembering my dreams. Man, I gotta tell you, I don't know what's going on, but I've had 2 really good nights of sleep in a row. Doing good. How about you? Everyone expected nah, no one expected a massive pump. Um, Yesterday I talked about my dreams. They were really weird. I typically don't remember them, but I've been getting like a full 8 hours. I think it's because we're easing into Puma season. I heard a baby puma last night. It's a little nip in the air. I had to turn a couple fans off this morning in my office. A little bit nippy. Not quite puma weather yet. Although I got a little shiver down my spine. Feel like if I put the puma on, I'd start sweating. But I had another weird dream last night, and it's relative to why are we calling it a merge, and maybe this is why it's on my mind. I don't know. It was really weird. I was with a female. I'm not sure if it was my mom or a girlfriend now that I think about it, but I don't know, we were at some dude's house and we wanted to go eat breakfast, but in order to get into this breakfast place, the guy had it was like a membership and he liked everyone but me. And he called me stupid because I said words like they a lot. It doesn't make any sense. But anyway, he called me stupid. Maybe I am. Because I woke up this morning and then the first thing that came to my mind is, why is it called a merge? I haven't thought about that until just now. But why is it called? Because it's merging. It's merging the proof of stake. I, I mean, it's forking, right? That's not a merge. Anyway, that rant cost me to be a minute late on this. Ding 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 ding. Let's move. Let's pop on over to the desktop. So tasty in the morning. Throw that coffee down your throat hole. It's hot. Got a 4-legged goat. Oh no. Wipe that pus up out your eyes. Wait, is it call your boss? Call your boss. Wipe that. I got some pus in my. I got some sleep in my eyes right now. And catching up on some sleep the last couple days. I might have been. I might have been working too much. Nah, I might have been working a normal amount, and then piling in with a little bit too much rust. I felt like my body was breaking down. Need to catch up on some sleep. I was like 20% in the negative, and now I'm like 2% in the positive, but I'm still tired as hell. So tonight's a big night. I am super nervous and super excited. The Chiefs play the Chargers tonight on Thursday Night Football. It is going to be potentially a matchup of 2 of the 3 best teams in the NFL. Most people right now consider the Buffalo Bills the best team in the NFL. Some people are saying the Chiefs. A lot of people have the Chiefs number 2. But a lot of people, they're still saying the Raiders and the Chargers and the whole A Bear and the blah 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 blah. What's his face from New England? I can't think of his name. Something Allen, right? Anyway, whoa, wait a second. Wait a second, boys and girls. Bert's back. Oh wait, his name's Kurt. I mean, god damn, sorry, brother. I've been calling you Bert. I forgot your name. It's been so long. How you doing, brother? Retro in the house. Like, who cares? Like, no one cares that Retro's in the. No one cares about anyone else in the house. But Kurt's back. I was just thinking about you last night. I'm like, is Kurt mad at me? Where's Kurt been? Did Kurt fall off an oil rig? Is Kurt dead? What are your thoughts on the Deflategate? Yeah, who could forget your Dragon Ball Z? My thoughts on the Deflategate. I don't know. Like, my thoughts are there's a lot of that shit going on in the NFL, so they just got caught. I think. I mean, I think the Patriots did a lot of shit like that to get an edge. But I also think they did a really good job of assembling great teams. Like, I don't know if you've ever seen Moneyball with Brad Pitt. Great movie if you've never. I mean, a really good movie if you've never seen it. And with Jonah Hill, I think is in it, right? And Oakland A's basically like one of the brokest teams in the major leagues. Were able to assemble a really good team using data, big data and low money, and they just assembled teams that work well. Well, I mean, the Patriots did a lot of the similar stuff. They were, great coach. Tom Brady's a great quarterback. He's always had the benefit of having a great team surrounding him, though. So I'm not going to deny he's a great quarterback. I don't think he's the greatest quarterback of all time, though the rings might say different. I think Peyton Manning is. But I mean, most people are going to disagree with me because it comes down to the rings. Anyway, yeah, a lot of teams do it. I mean, all teams cheat. It's just whether or not you get caught or not. Just like the Astros. I mean, the Astros just got caught. Yeah, the merge. I saw you. You might be a little bit late, but I don't understand why it's called the merge. Been a rough time with Garvey. You're not in Israel anymore. Where the f are you? Oh, you're still offshore. We finally got fiber installed, but sadly only in the office area. Oh, well, yeah, that's some BS. So I came to the office area for a break just to get a ballin' network. Appreciate it, man. We've missed you around here. When are you done? When are you done? When can we expect you in the house on the regular basis? Tell them bitches to, if they've got fiber. What is an OP? Fiber op. Fiber OP. If they've got fiber installed, tell them mofos to put up some access points around the rig. So all you mofos can. Kurt better be paid high six figures. I mean, high six figures pushing a milli. Oh, fiber optics, duh. I've never heard it. Well, it doesn't matter. Tom saw it. Put up some APs, dude. Put up some Ruckus Unleashed. Takes like 10 minutes, and them APs are really good. Ah. All right. Ding, 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 a ding, ding. A ding, a ding, ding. What's going on? Oh, shit. I was watching Tasty Works this morning. Stock market was basically flat. Oh, you're still in Israel? That sucks. I know you're not getting any punani over there. Them Israelites been shutting you out. They don't want no short timers over there. Oh, they don't want you guys having internet. Well, I mean, what the hell, dude? I don't understand. And first gas is in a week. First gas. What does that even mean? What is first gas? So, wait, you can't have it because they're afraid the oil rig's gonna blow up. I don't understand. And first gas is in a week. What does that mean? First gas is in a week. Watch him just leave the office area and leave me hanging on what I'm commissioning this FPSO. Jesus Christ. Like he follows up one statement that doesn't make any sense with another statement that doesn't make. Dude, what are these oil rig acronyms? What, do I look like an oil chad? I'm commissioning this FPSO, this first pipe shit on for people. Sure, fudge packer, fudge. Oh, that just took a turn. Floating production storage. Where do you get off? Where do you get off, sir? Where do you get off saying things like FPSO and expecting? I mean, if T Stout was in the house, he might understand it. So why are you not allowed to have cell phones, smartwatches, and internet? Are they afraid the cell phone's going to blow up the oil rig? Is there no smoking on there too? How do you like? Is there a smoking lounge? Because I know them cigarette smokers need to be able to smoke. Cigarettes. Oh, I'm going to shit on cigarettes. Like you can't. The worst thing about cigarette smokers is the productivity. You don't get any productivity out of them because they're always on a smoke break. There's a dirty break room. You get about 7 minutes of work out of them, and then they have to go on a 10-minute smoke break. All right. That's a lot more fun than seeing what's going on in the boring ass stock market. Also, I need to check out. We need Chill Baggins. Like Chill Baggins, you out there, bro? Like, what's going on in DeFi Kingdoms? Do I need to do something? I haven't even. This is the first time I've touched my ledger in probably over 4 weeks. Outside of living quarters. You gotta have them. You gotta have them shits in the living quarters so you can get your business done. You know what I'm saying? Do you at least have your own like little secluded area so you could take care of business? You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta be able to. Like, you can't be pinned up on an oil rig. You can't be pinned up on an oil rig for like 4 weeks. There's got to be a spot where you get a little bit of relief. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's all kinds of pipes that can back up on an oil rig. There's the oil rig pipes. There's the human pipes. Like, I mean, is it, or do you just have to? You just have to. Like, do they pay you extra? Is it a no fap period? No fap zone? Do you have to like go into it? No fap. Greg in the house. How you doing, brother? I want to know what's the FAP situation like? Like, yeah, is it no FAP on the oil rig, or is there a FAP zone? So they have FAP rooms? Are they like, they're not labeled FAP rooms, but they're FAP rooms? Yeah. Well, no. So can you take cellies into the FAP rooms? Do they have FAP rooms where you can have cellies? Okay, so your bedroom, like is your bedroom like, you're not sharing a bunk? You're not sharing a bunk? And do they have plenty of tissue? I know some people use socks, which I don't understand. I find that disgusting, but like I mean, unless you're just flush with money, you're flush with cash and you just buy a new 6-pack of socks every week. Oh, you got your own bed. Oh, you're staying with your buddy. So you put a towel. I mean, you put a. I mean, what would do you hang your hard hat on the door, and that means don't enter? I'm fapping. Kurt Faps to a calendar. No, you have to go to you have to go to the spank bank, or if you have a celly, if they let you, if you could have your celly in the bedroom. So you porn works on the celly, I guess. No, I mean you don't get internet in the bedroom though, right? Yeah, I guess you have to download the videos and take them with you. Oh, Kurt, you want your buddy to walk in. Greg wants to change the topic. Ethereum merge the. Well, no, he's just making fun of the topics. All right, yeah. Can anyone tell me why it's called the Ethereum merge? Oh, it's not gay if you're bros. I didn't know that rule. That today I learned. Hmm. Interesting rule. Interesting rule. What rule number is that? Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do to get by. I mean, it is borderline prison like terms, right? You're offshore, um, isolated from society. I can't even imagine being I wonder how many women, how many women are on the rig? Um, I can't, I gotta imagine there's some very strict HR guidelines. Like even if she's interested in you, man, shit could get ugly quick. Like she might like you one day, and then she'll get, you do a quick hit, and she ain't down with that, and the next thing you know, she files an HR complaint. You might be want to be careful with women on a rig, right? That's like sounds like that could get you in some trouble. There are approximately 5 women across 600 oil rigs. Uh, I don't even know if I want to ask the next question because it's going to get me in trouble with no what? He just says no. Oh, 600 people. Excuse me. What the F? Speaking of burping, where has Nigel been? Nigel, is he made so much money now? Yeah. So the women, you don't even have to be good looking, and you can get your pick of litter. All right. I don't even know what to do now. I don't even know. Do we continue to talk about oil rigs and? Kurt already has all five or all six of them. How many is there? All six? Wait, he already has all five on lockdown. Kurt has all 5 women and his roommate on lockdown. All right, let's get back. You let him watch. Oh goodness. Nasdaq's now down 63. It was flat before the open. What is gold's now below 1700 at 1693. Gold in the trade of the decade, if you like losing money. E-mini S&P, the SPOOs, aka the S&P 500 futures down 9. Crude oil down $3 a barrel. Natty gas is the story of the winter, down 7. Dude, natty gas down a monster 70 cents, but it's still up about $6 a therm. I cannot wait to get bent over with my heating bill this winter. I am probably going to go the space heater route. We are still poor as hell. Of course, we're still poor. Still poor, waiting to get a lot more poor so we can buy that dip. But I think we're going to have a long time. I think we're going to have a long accumulation phase. It's going to continue to be really boring. I think the biggest trigger I'm waiting for is going to be a Fed pivot. And I don't think we're going to see that anytime soon. That DK in the house. That DK in the house giving me shit for my thumbnail. Yeah. I beat, how does that go? I march to the beat of my own drum. I don't I don't bow to the YouTube gods. I don't. No, really, I'm lazy and the market's boring as hell. So the thumbnail is pretty. Like you should yearn to come back and see my thumbnail every morning just to see if I've changed it. Because if I've changed it, that means I've woken up. And if I've woken up, that means shit's on like Donkey Kong. Right now, there ain't nothing to do but just constantly get on the mic and talk every morning about, yeah, don't expect anything in the market right now. I mean, we could do some trading if we wanted to. There's money to be made in a down market. Let's see how much buying power. I got some buying power over here in the IRA. I definitely got some in this other account, but I'm kind of waiting to buy my Palantir stocks. Or Palantir puts up $9 today. What were some trades they did on trades from the research? Speaking of ADA, again, no one can explain to me why it's called the Ethereum merge. The HFC, the Cardano hard fork combinator, is in 7 days, I believe. 9/22, right? Really excited about that. I can't wait to see what's going on in DeFi. It's a code merge. Is it? What does that mean? Is it merging? It's a merge. It's merging from its current code to the testnet code, but it's still. I thought it was a fork, right? I guess I should my check my MetaMask wallet. See what's going on with that bitch. First thing I can tell you is I'm gonna have to log in. I haven't looked at MetaMask in so long. I need to go on over to DeFi Kingdoms and see what I got going. Where's Chill Baggins? Do I need to send my heroes somewhere? That's pretty cool how like this fox head, like I go here to enter my password and it looks down and it checks to make sure, like, and it's telling me yes, that's the right password or no. But yes, yes, yes. Boom. Protect your funds. Yeah, yeah. I got 111 Crow. Let me put in my 2-week notice. Why do I have money on Crow at all? 36.9998 Ethereum. That's a problem. I need to get that to a perfect round number. AADA. I don't think it's a dumb name. I think it's a clever name. Kind of a. I like it, right? It's kind of like Ave, Ade. It is hard to say though. Just looking at my YouTube, apparently there's DeFi on Cardano now. So how do I look at, like, this is new Ethereum. How do I look at my old Ethereum? Let's go to what's going on in Crystal, 8.19 cents, Jewel 23 cents. Let's go to shit Harmony 1. Shit Harmony 1. I have some Ethereum on Harmony too. What happens to the wrapped Ethereum? Look, I got 3.0156. You know what? That's you guys want to see something funny as F? Let's see. Yesterday, I think my channel got a whopping 9 views or something. I'm up to 12 views, 17 views, 15 views, 30 views, 98 views. Because I had Harmony One. This Harmony One news is so good. I probably lost some subscribers because I kept on sleeping. They didn't get the sarcasm. This Harmony One news is so good. I kept on sleeping. Meaning, I don't even remember what the news was. Oh, yeah, I really don't. But that one had like 98 views. So I could just clickbait bitches every day, but I don't do that. You know what I'm saying? I could spend time on thumbnails, but I'm lazy. I'm so lazy in the morning. All right, let's real quick. What's going on? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Has there been any progress on Harmony, or all the wrapped assets still mess up? I don't think there's been any progress. There's some venture capitalist firm that's going to come in and do something. I don't know if they're going to get current assets back up to peg or not. And again, I don't know what happens to wrap, like for example, wrapped Ethereum. I Crime Crypto kind of touched on this last night on the video, but yeah, I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. It's even different in Harmony One because they don't even have the Ethereum. You got this, Tom. New one, OP. Uh, new what, OP? Dat. I'm all over the place. I was gonna do a trade in the stock market, and then I somehow ended up in MetaMask and Ethereum, and then I'm stuttering. My brain's about to explode. Um, let's do the stock market. Oh, new thumbnail. Did you run up an ADA stake pool? Did I run up? Do you mean like did I spin up my own Cardano stake pool? No, I have not. Bro, I'm so lazy. I haven't even shut down my Harmony One validator yet. Another thing I've got to do today, is I got to call Nelnet and tell them I want some money back on my student loan. I keep forgetting to do that. I don't know. Excuse me. I don't know if there's a time limit on that shit, but and I hate calling people like that. And I'm sure it's probably going to be some pain in the ass process and weeks and weeks and weeks. But there's thousands of dollars, right? I just recently paid off the last like $4,000 of my loan, and I've been paying the monthly nut, so I should be able to get like 4 or 5 thousand back theoretically, maybe a little bit more. Love you too, Kurt. Have a good one. Be safe. When did you say you were going to be back? When are you done in the old Israel? When are you going to have real internet, bro? Oh, October? Maybe October. What the hell, bro? It is boring without our Kurt. It's boring without Bert in the chat, guys. When Bert's not around, it gets real boring. He keeps it entertaining. Bert, get back soon. All right, we got a little bit of green going on in the stock market. What's going on? The last time I checked, the Nasdaq was down 75. Yeah, Bert is the life of the party. Now the Nasdaq's only down 29. Are we getting a little flip flop? Are we getting a little reversal? The Nasdaq, the E-mini S&P's gone green. E-mini S&P was a little bit in the red. Now it's green. I think you know what? That's what we can do. Let's get a little jiggy over here. I'm going to go /MNQ. This is the mini NASDAQ. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go to active and I'm going to... We're down 30. Boom! Bob, come on. It didn't fill. Come on, fill. Watch it run away from me. Watch it run away and not fill. Come on, baby. Look at it. If it goes up, oh, I got filled. Ooh, shit. It filled and now I'm down money. I'm down. Look at this. Look at the volatility on this shit. What is going on? Where's my phone? Now I'm up. I'm up $5. Makes a lady. Now I'm flat. Now I'm up 6. Why is this thing jumping around like crazy? What's going on in the stock market? Let me see what's going on in the headlines. Now, what I just did right here, This is what I would consider bad YouTube content because this is really just degenerate behavior. I had no like reason like gambling on futures. This is just like people don't make money leverage trading futures, leverage trading Bitcoin. This was a leverage trade. This is probably the similar to going like a 3x long Bitcoin, although it's a much smaller vehicle. It is as an engagement tool. Typically, you would use this to hedge your portfolio. I'm doing it just to have a little bit of fun. I mean, I think I forget the numbers, but the Nasdaq could be up or down a few hundred points, and I would only be down like, I mean, I'm up $25, and so 15. So every 15 points is like $25. My thesis is I think the market's going to fade the down move today. I feel very strongly that the market was going to fade this down move, and it's looking like it wants to go positive. I'm now thinking the market could be deep into the green today. I don't have any technical or fundamental reason for that other than the price action I saw, right? It just felt like one of those. The Nasdaq was down 70, and then, about 20 minutes in, if you start seeing a fade, you start seeing a fade of the opposite direction of what the market was doing. I felt very strongly like that could be a greater than 50. So I took a shot. I do it every now and then. Just to be a degen. Get that degen behavior in and out of my blood every now and then. Usually I'm wrong. And as of right now, I'm right, but that can change on a dime. All right, let's see what the news is. 2-year treasury yield extends rise, so the yield curve's getting more out of whack. Industrial output downshifts. Stocks lower on bond yields. Stocks open lower as investors weigh unemployment. Retail. Yeah, there's no real. The Nasdaq's now green. I felt like it was a fade the open. What is Kurt doing? Like posting YouTube links? I wonder if this is a clip. Oh, he can't even post them right. You mofo. You gotta make me do it make me do it the hard way. So tasty. Man, it is so much for a tight 30 today, huh? We're 31 minutes in, and I felt like I barely even started the stream. So tasty. In the morning. Bort. Where's Bort been? All right. Nasdaq's now up 6.5 points. What's my position doing? Wait, where did I go long? Did I go long? Oh, I went long in this is actually a pleasant surprise. I thought I went long this in my IRA. I actually went long this in my small account. And my small account had like 20 G's. I put 20 G's into that bitch, and I was down a couple $100. I'm down $216 on that account since I put 22 stacks of high society over there. So maybe I can get a little runner on this and make some of that back. Because this is meant to buy like Solana, mostly Solana. I think I'm mostly going to buy. Oh, they have Matic over here. I might buy some Matic too. So we'll continue to let that run. Market's looking pretty strong today right now. So maybe, excuse me, it's be interesting to see how crypto's doing. Bitcoin's still kind of at that 21 or that 20,000. And it's had a few ups and downs. I think I saw it below 20,000 at one point last night. I haven't been paying attention to the prices that much at all. I think I've checked the price of Bitcoin twice in the last 24 hours, as opposed to twice every 10 seconds. in my peak, like I basically, and there were periods in 2020 and 2021 where I basically just had the phone like hanging from a string like this, so it would just wave in front of my face every 2 seconds and I could see the price. All right, let's go down the list. Ethereum had a merge, $1,589. Everything's red in crypto for the most part. Atom, strong like bull, it's green. Cardano, 47, almost 48 cents. Solana, 33.82. I need Solana at like the 15 handle. Polkadot, $7. Harmony 1, barely holding on to the 2 cents. Atom, we've already mentioned. Phantom, who gives a shit? Near, who gives a shit? Avalanche, $19. I guess we care a little. Matic, 85 cents. Quant, who gives a shit unless your name was Retro, $99. ApeCoin, who gives a shit? Link, who gives a shit? CTX, why are you still on my list? Every rose, 0.06 cents. It's up a little since the last time we checked. Ooh, shit. Shit Dora. How low was that bitch yesterday? I thought it was at the 0.005 handle. Yowza. This rug pull continues to go down. This hit a low of 0.0045. It's currently at 0.0047. You could buy 100,000. You could buy 100,000 shit Dora for like $470. I wouldn't. You can hand me $470 and say, "Can you buy this for me?" I'm gonna be like, "No, bro. I'm gonna do you a favor. Don't buy this garbage." Clayton, $1. Oh no, Cadena, $1.55. It's getting down to them levels. It always seems like a good buy zone. Yeah, there's a lot of support at this level, although it did dip below that recently. And Clayton, there's another one I'm not going to touch with your money. It just continues to go down. When did it get announced that DeFi Kingdoms was going to Clayton? Like, I feel like there was a lot of people that knew ahead of time and bought that shit, and now they're just dumping it on your faces. So that's pretty much it for crypto. Man, Kurt leaves and then the chat dies. We're at a tight 35. We've gone through the stock market. We've gone through crypto. We talked a little bit of football. We talked a little about no FAP. I don't know. Pretty well-rounded video today. Dead. Yeah. Dead. Oh, Ted. All right, everyone. Oh, you know what? I got a NASDAQ long going on. Let's see how that's doing. Holy shit. What the hell happened in my NASDAQ? Now I'm down. What the? Oh no, I'm still up $4, $2, $4. Looks like that NASDAQ going green. It's not holding very well. I better just get out of this. Take my $11 and run like a thief in the night. See, I'm up 10. I'm just gonna flatten it. Wait. It's trying to pump. Oh, it's pumping. Where's my flatten button? Oh, it's right here. Now I'm up $23. Now I'm up. It's pumping again. Now I don't know what to do. All right, we're gonna let it run again. I'm gonna get greedy. Oh nope. Now it's dumping. I'm not gonna sit. The problem with doing a trade like this is you just sit here and watch it. It's hard. It's hard to just ignore it. Now it's pumping again. See? I don't. Oh, why this is. Oh, I'm getting a little gas buildup. It might be emergency. We might have a ship emergency on our hands here, boys and girls. All right, I'm gonna do one. Ooh, it's coming in strong now. Profit and loss for the day, $47. What am I up on this? $26. All right, against my better judgment, I'm just gonna let that run. I'm gonna let that run. I'll probably forget about it until tomorrow morning, and hopefully it was a good forget about. That's very awkward silence right now. I'm doing something. I want to see where I am. I've been doing this skill thing, this continuous learning. All right, here we go. For HP, some pretty boring shit, and it takes forever to update. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is such a pain in the ass. All right, let's get this wrapped up. That last 5 minutes was pretty. All right, so ooh shit. This I gotta get out of this. Now I'm negative. Where's the alpha? Well, there is no. I don't have any alpha. There is no alpha. What's the alpha right now? Oh shit, dude. The volatility right now? Flatten. Get out of this. Oh, not flatten. Sin. Boom. Oh. All right. What? I made $5.50. Probably a wash after fees. You tell me, Retro, where is the alpha? Actually, I meant to do this yesterday and I forgot. Let's see what's going on with Capo. Capo have any alpha for us? Uh-oh, just long BTC is a hedge, risking 2% of my portfolio. Interesting. Some alter leading scam pump incoming. You've been saying that for days, bro. Uh I feel like this is gonna be a bad decision, but let's see what they're saying on Twitter. Sipping on some Twitter. Oh, look at this. I hate these notifications. In case I don't. Oh, Atlas Parker. Some pirate so excited to announce some big things soon. When was this? Mm, is Sky? Man, I love me some Atlas, but I'm not buying. I'm probably not gonna be buying. Like, I'm not looking to buy shit like that. The next stake one airdrop. Please don't, Brody. Just sign up for that initiative. We need you, man. Your alpha and expertise will help Harmony when the market's back in and up. The next stake one airdrop is like, oh, all right. He doesn't want me to shut down my validator. Oh yeah. I have no big idea how big his team is or any of that, but reaction to deal between the U.S. railroad. Let's see. What is? Ew, yuck! What the fuck? I'm not even gonna read that out loud. NASA funded spacesuit tech may help with menopause relief. What about menopause? Create nap, yep. Cardano map, yep. All these blah blah. Stop giving me your toughest. What? How the housing market crash started yet? That's what all the YouTube videos say. Who is this? La Petite Ada. What is happening, baby pop? Ethereum. That's pretty funny. Ethereum 30 minutes ago. Ethereum now. I mean, obviously that's not. Yeah, I guess that's kind of true. I mean, to be fair, Ethereum. I mean, it's all on the validators. How many? Like, all right, Tom, don't overthink it. It was a funny joke. Pelosi. These are those that think life begins at the candlelight dinner the night before. Let's see. Atika Memories. The last reaction had when was the reveal for the sequel of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Is this someone you follow, Retro? Burned. BUSD. Why is BUSD being burned? That just means people turned it into like cash, right? Oh shit! What do we got here? We asked someone outside the Trump rally if they thought Jesus would forgive student loan debt. All right. Oh, you know, actually, let's do. How do I hashtag crypto? Is that how I see crypto Twitter? Yeah. Oh, there was an Ethereum merge. There was a Ethereum. Ethereum went to proof. Is that what I missed? Is that what I slept through? It's a joke, guys. Ooh, shit. What do we got here? Lady of Crypto. This is my mega thread on finding low cap crypto. Well, look at this. All right. All right. This is a huge problem in crypto. Like, okay, well, she has the added advantage of being a chick, right? A decently good looking chick. But there is no finding low crap. It's low crap, not low cap with 50x. Like, how is this still a clickbait thing that people fall for? If you're clicking on videos to get the next 50x in crypto, you're gonna lose your money. Let's actually I gotta hear this. And then we're gonna have to sign off because we do have a bit of a ship emergency happening. And I'm way past my tight 35 or 30. Way past my tight 30. We're at a tight 45 right now.
In this thread, I'm going to be sharing with you my strategy for finding low cap crypto gems before most people even start buying.
South African?
There are over 15 tweets of alpha in this thread, and if you find it useful, please remember to like and retweet. In this thread, I'm going to be sharing with you my strategy for finding low cap crypto gems before most people even start buying. There are over 15 tweets of alpha in this thread, and if you find it useful, please remember to like and retweet. In this thread, I'm going
to Google, Twitter, and oh Jesus, this isn't foolproof. I look for ICOs of, oh my goodness. Check the up. No. 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 Oh, this is horrible. This is a great advice on how to lose money. All right, let's get a recap of what's going on besides Stacy's mom. The stock market. Should I have kept my trade on? Yeah, I would be up a little bit more money. It looks like it's just gonna flirt with a flat day. E-mini S&P up 7. NASDAQ down 10, basically flat. Even the stock, look. Tesla's up $5. I mean, what is that? Not even 1%, a little over 1%, 1.5%, almost 2%. Riot up 35 cents. Palantir up 30 cents. Boring. What is Apple? Who gives a shit, right? Apple, $154. And what else is out there? Google. Robinhood, 1146. I was thinking about doing some puts in that at like $9. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Meta, $153. Ew. Microsoft, $248. That's pretty strong. Ride, the big rug pull Ride. Snap, $12, up 67 cents. Why the hell is Snap up so much today? I wouldn't, that's another one I wouldn't buy with your money. Square, Ooh, $71. Where's PayPal? That's one that's big on my radar, and I haven't checked in a while. $98. I think Square and PayPal could be good buys going into. I think they're going to be great buys going into the next bull run. I just don't know when that's coming. Anyway, you have no idea how much I really need to go now. A tight 48 this morning. I will be back. It is Thirsty Thursday. Don't drink too much tonight because you still got to make it through No Right Friday. I will be back 6:30 a.m. PST. Be there. You're in F Squared. Love you all and peace.